Hello, good morning. Let's start the balloon sculpting session. So today I would like to demonstrate how to twist a balloon dog. And today my new setup. This is my new setup. I'm working in the balcony now, with my windows closed up, and I'm testing how is this result like. So I'm using my microphone and the earpiece plugged onto my handphone to do the shooting, right? So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to twist a simple balloon dog. I've got my hand pump and my 260. Happen to be both purple. My spectacles purple color. So as usual, we insert the balloon into the pump by one finger spacing as such. Right? So we will hold and pump up the balloon. 3 strokes. 4 strokes. I'll tie up the balloon like that. Okay. So left like 8 finger tail. Okay. So then you start twisting. Soften the balloon and then 4 finger bubble. And one more 4 finger bubble. Hold the first one so that it will not come undone. So one more 4 finger bubble. Then these two are the same. So the bubble 1 and bubble 2 and 3, combine them and twist. That will be the head, the ear of the head, the ear of the dog. So next, I'm going to do the body, also 4 finger. Right, and then one more 4 finger. One more 4 finger, and to combine them with the leg. So that is the second part. So now next, 4 finger for the body, 4 finger for the hind leg, one more 4 finger for the hind leg. So we got this. Okay. So last, we will do a small bubble at the tail so that it will be cute. So just pull it a bit, tuck it, then press, and boom, there you go. That's how it goes. And then down here, remember to squeeze tight to expand all the rubber so it will not return. Right, so that is it. So that is the simple dog I have come up with today. Hope you like it. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other sculpture that you may want to see me making, please let me know so that I can produce. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.